You don't need 6 months. You need one brutal day of honesty with yourself. Look at your life right now. Are you proud of it? No? Then stop pretending like you need more time. You've had plenty. You've just been wasting it. You've got one day, 24 hours, not to fix everything, but to finally stop lying to yourself. Here is the harsh truth. You're not too tired. You're too distracted, scrolling, binging, procrastinating, like your dreams can wait forever. Newsflash, they can't. Motivation isn't your problem, discipline is. You say you'll start tomorrow like it's some magic reset button, but you've said that 100 times already. Where did any of those tomorrows get you? You're not lost. You're avoiding responsibility. You know what needs to change. You're just scared it'll be uncomfortable. Guess what? Growth is uncomfortable. That's the price. Here's what you do in the next 24 hours. Cut the noise. No social, no Netflix. No endless research. Just you, a notebook, and the truth. Write down what's broken. Write what you've been avoiding. Then write one action for each. 1, not 10. Start there. You don't need another course. You don't need permission. You need a mirror and a decision. This isn't a motivational video. This is your wake-up call. If you don't change something today, you'll be stuck in the same loop next year, telling yourself the same lies. So what's it going to be? Excuses or a reset? Don't just scroll past this like nothing happened. Hit subscribe if you're done with excuses and ready to take control, because the next video might be the one that finally flips your switch. Let's unfuck your life, one brutal truth at a time.